Hello everyone. I hope you guys are all doing very well. So as you guys know that in the last 3 videos I showed you guys how you guys can make $10 every day from Deriv. Now today is a very special video. Why it is a special video? Because as you guys can see, we have a $500 budget in our trading account, and today I will teach you guys that by using this strategy how you guys can make easily 100 bucks from Deriv. So let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I have selected the 75 index, as always my favorite one, and we are going to select over here higher lower. The duration is going to be 5 ticks, and the barrier offset is going to be 25.6259. And so as you guys can see, we have $500, but that does not mean that we have to, in order to make 100 bucks, we have to put, we have to take the go with the stake with the higher amount. We will always go with the small amount. So we're gonna start off with the $10, and I'm gonna scroll it down, and I've already opened the 3 minutes chart. Okay, so as you guys can see, the candle is showing the green color, so that's obvious. That's, the trend is for up. So what we're gonna do over here, how you guys can make $100. So we're gonna start off with the first $10, and then we're gonna keep on adding the profit. So I'm gonna take the first one. As you can see that there was a blue tick, now it just went down. Now we just have to wait for another one, uh, whether it goes up or, okay, here's the red, a second red, and we're gonna take the trade. So this is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom. As you guys can see, we have just won the $6.31. Now in the second trade, what we're gonna do, we are going to add the profit of $6.31. Now let me tell you a thing over here, guys. As you guys can see, now the candle is in the red color, so it's probably gonna go down a lot more. So it's red, I'm gonna take the trade. The first one is up, second one is down, third one is down, fourth one is up, and here we go, we have won the trade. Now till now we have won $16.60. Okay, but we have started the trade with 10 bucks. So what we're gonna do now, $16.60 is our profit, right? So by using that profit of $16.60, we're gonna add $10 from our own pocket. Obviously the $16.60, that's also our money which we have just made, but that's the profit on top of the capital amount that we have just made. So on the top of $16.60, I'm gonna add 20 bucks. So it is going to be $36.60. All right, so we have to wait now for the right position. As you guys can see over here, we have a very big red candle which is indicating us that the trend is downward. So we just have to wait now. The moment it will show the first blue tick, and when it will break, we are going to take the trade. 1, 2, wait a moment. Okay, we have to wait now, not right now. The first one, second one. Okay, it's going up now. We have to wait over here. Okay, now we're gonna take the trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. As you guys can see, we have won the third trade as well. So till now we have made $39.66. Now 39 plus we are going to add $25. So that means, let's assume we have 40 bucks on the top, and from our own pocket we are going to add $25. So 40 plus 20, it's gonna be $65. We will go with the $65 trade, and we have to wait over here. Okay, as you guys can see, it is showing us the green candle. Okay, it just went down and we're gonna take the trade. First one is up, second one is up, third one is up, fourth one is down. It's okay, we have lost the trade. So we have just lost 65 bucks. So how we're gonna recover it? We are gonna double it with $120, on which we are getting $75. So first blue, it breaks and we're gonna take the trade, and the first one is down, second one is up, it's the blue one, once break got break, and here we go, we have won the trade. Now we have $50.35 on the top, that's our profit, and I'm gonna go with profit plus $25 from our capital. So it's gonna be a $75 trade, and it's gonna be the last one over here. We will take, just got break, and we're gonna take the trade. Blue, and it's gonna break the first one, second down, a bit up, third one is a bit up, fourth one is down, and here we go. We have just made $97.67. So that's it guys, that's it for today. We are just done for the day. Now in the further videos, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, and if you guys have any question, please comment below and I will answer that. Thank you.